The overwhelming floods of 2010, which left a path of destruction in its wake, destroyed the lives and livelihoods of over 20 million people in Pakistan. The shockingly violent flood first ravaged the already inferior basic infrastructure and left 1.7 million people homeless, sweeping away people's homes and leaving no trace of their lives in a matter of hours. The sheer size of this natural disaster made rehabilitating the populace immensely difficult. Helping Hand designed a program to survey and document the damage and to rebuild the homes of the poorest of families impacted by the flood, called Rebuild Pakistan.
मेरा नाम इनायतुल्लाह है। मैं इसी गांव का रहने वाला हूँ। इस सैलाब की वजह से ये मेरा घर मुकम्मल तौर पर तबाह हो गया। ये इसकी हालत आप देख सकते हैं। ये मुकम्मल तौर पर तबाह हो गए। मेरे बीवी बच्चे जो है ना, अब ये रहने के काबिल नहीं। ये हम जाके किधर तंबू में रह रहे हैं।
सैलाब ने हमारा घर तबाह कर दिए। ये सामने घर है, सब तबाह हो गए। सारी चीज़ भी तबाह हो गया है। घर के सामान भी, गंद भी, 30 मन गंदम भी पड़ा है, वो भी ख़त्म हो गया। सब कुछ, जानवर भी था, वो भी ख़त्म कर दिया सैलाब ने। और टेंट में रहता हूँ और रोज़गार भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है।
The initial phase of Rebuild Pakistan intended to rebuild 275 homes in 11 union councils of all 4 provinces. The locations of these homes destined to be rebuilt for the most impoverished and necessitous of families varies from province to province. In the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Charsada, Nowshera, and Swat districts, in the province of Punjab, Mianwali, Muzaffargarh, and Rajapur districts, in the province of Sindh, Kashmir, Shikarpur, Thatta, and Jakbabad districts, and in the province of Balochistan, the Jafrabad district was selected. The selection survey for the families receiving this benefit was prioritized for widows, orphans, handicapped, peasants, and poor-income families. Helping Hand sent a special team of surveyors who, assessing the damage and loss in the 11 districts, completed their assignments with urgency to ensure work could begin as quick as possible. Rebuild Pakistan employed construction companies who have solid reputations and a track record of accomplishments to build each home with 2 rooms, sized 12 by 12, and a veranda, kitchen, and bathroom made of the highest quality materials to make safe and long-lasting homes. Each home constructed was made on specific standards to ensure resistance to the most common elements, like heat, monsoon rains, cold winters, and were made strong enough to resist other natural disasters such as earthquakes and smaller floods. Helping Hand asked Design Men Consulting and Engineering Private Limited to implement quality control measures at every stage of the build. With the help of their professional staff, they made sure all the work carried out while building these homes was of the best standards. In order to execute the construction of the homes, contractors from each district were employed. Each contractor employed constructed the homes in 3 months, handing over the keys to the families in need.
आज यहाँ चारसद्दा में इस आगरा यूनियन काउंसिल के इस गांव में मौजूद हूँ कि जहाँ पर हम जो है इन 18 घर जो हमने तामीर कर चुके हैं इस वक्त उनका इफ्तिताह कर रहे हैं। और इसमें हमें एक बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि वो लोग के जो बग़ैर छत के थे उनको अल्लाह ताला ने हमें एक ज़रिया बनाया है कि उनको हमने वो छत मुहैया की है।
Construction of all the homes isn't over. As time passes and more houses are built, they're being handed over to families who can start returning to their normal lives and start building homes out of these houses.
बहुत मुसीबत में थे हम लोग। फिर ये हेल्पिंग हैंड वाले आए हैं। पहले दिनों में इन लोगों ने हमारे खुराक का बंदोबस्त किए, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हमें खुराक दिए। फिर उसके बाद जो है ना, हमारे घरों का बहुत ज़्यादा मसला था। हम बाहर किरायों पे रह रहे थे, कुछ तंबू में रह रहे थे। ये लोग आए हैं हेल्पिंग हैंड वाले, इन लोगों ने हमारे लिए घरों की तामीर का सिलसिला शुरू किए। ये हमारे लिए 2 कमरे एक किचन एक बात बनाए। हेल्पिंग हैंड वालों का हम बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं जिन्होंने हमारे ख्वाबों की ताबीर की है। एक ऐसा ख्वाब जो हम सिर्फ देख सकते थे, अपने तौर पे ताबीर नहीं कर सकते थे। ये घर बिल्कुल हमारे ख्वाब जैसे थे।
Through the support of its esteemed patrons for the Rebuild Pakistan program, Helping Hand has rehabilitated over 275 families in the first phase of the program. However, there are thousands more who deserve your assistance. Only with your support can this program be extended to more and more families who are still living out in the open in makeshift tents and cannot afford to rebuild what has been lost. Giving one family the hope to continue their lives normally and to help them rebuild when they lost everything is shockingly inexpensive. For $2,500, you can make sure one deserving family can begin to regain what was lost due to the violence of nature. Working together, we can raise these small amounts of money to help everyone who was affected in the devastation of the floods. Help rebuild Pakistan today. To help now and to learn more, visit www.hhrd.org and get in touch with us at 1-888-808-4357.